Hello class. I'm going to use this presentation to show you how to describe your favorite gadget after you use this phrase, my favorite gadget is. So I'm going to show you different adjectives that you can use, and at the end I'm gonna show you my presentation, okay? So all you have to do is to follow me throughout this presentation and try to do your own, okay? Lo que les voy a mostrar acá son diferentes adjetivos que pueden utilizar para describir algún gadget que ustedes consideren su favorito. Recuerden que tienen que utilizar esta frase, my favorite gadget is, lo dicen, luego utilizamos because y decimos tres oraciones donde describan ese objeto y no tienen que ser los mismos que yo puse acá. Estos son solo ejemplos, ok? So I'm going to start right now. Characteristics of some gadgets. Okay, we said that one gadget could be the headphones. So we can say that headphones are expensive. So we say they are expensive. As you can see over here, right? I'm using this arrow to show you the price is $195, which is more or less 100,000 colones. Is a lot of money. So expensive is caro in Spanish, okay? And the opposite is this. They are cheap. $29 is very cheap. It's like maybe 15,000 colones, okay? We can also say they are modern and have a nice color. In this case, you can see that these headphones have a very nice style. So they are modern because they are the kind of headphones that people use nowadays, okay? And as you can see, these ones are wireless also, right? And in this case, they are obsolete, okay? So those are the type of headphones that I used when I was in high school, okay? Obsolete is means that they are old. In this case, they are a Bluetooth gadget, okay? You don't have to connect these gadgets to your computer or to your phone because they have the Bluetooth option. And in this case, they are wired headphones, okay? You have to connect these headphones to your phone or your computer. Now they have a microphone, okay? They have a microphone, and that's it. Now we are going to start with the USB stick, okay? We can say that it is cheap. In this case, this USB is $4, almost $5, which is more or less 2,500 colones or 3,000 colones. This is cheap. But if we take a look at this, USBs are expensive because they are almost $200, all right? And then we can say it is small. You can see it's very small, and you can plug it or insert this USB into your computer, and you can almost not see it. Then you can say it is big. In this case, imagine having this USB in your backpack. Well, it is very big and notorious compared to the other USB that we just saw. Then it has an original design, of course. Look at this USB. It looks like a chocolate, right? And it has a simple design. This is a very simple USB, but it doesn't mean that it doesn't work. Of course it works, but it is just simple. Okay, if I am going to show you my presentation, let's say that I'm going to prepare a PowerPoint in this case, and I'm going to say my favorite gadget are my headphones, okay? Because they are modern and expensive. They are a Bluetooth gadget and have a nice color. They have an original design. Okay? So now that you have my example, the one that I just presented, you can create your own presentation. ¿Ok? Ustedes pueden hacerlo con un PowerPoint también o pueden de hecho grabarse mostrando ese gadget que es su favorito, y si no pueden enviar el video por alguna dificultad, pueden enviar un audio. Pero ojalá que puedan hacer una presentación donde ustedes, además de hablar, presenten esas características que hacen especial a ese dispositivo que eligieron.